Hey guys, Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival, and I got a box in the mail here. It's Amazon Prime. Atailorbird US. We have here a electronic organizer, or for gadgets, double layer storage bag. Well, let's have a look here. It's actually bigger. So this is actually bigger than it looked like on the internet, which is nice. So it's got two compartments. Let's have a look here. Oh, look at that. It's got a zippered pouch. Okay, there's a zippered pouch. Which way is open? There we go. It's got some elastic straps and holders here. It's got all kinds of elastic straps down here to hold things in place. There's another mesh zippered pouch. They've got all kinds of storage compartments. I can see using this for a survival kit, a bug out bag. It says electronics gadget bag, but I can see using it for a bug out bag or survival kit. Oh, look at that. So here we got some adjustable, removable dividers. You can put them wherever you want. And another mesh zipper pouch. A larger one. Well, that's a pretty decent looking case. Well, we'll be putting this to use here. It's also very well padded all the way around to protect your gear. We'll be putting this to use here and get back to you with a full review after putting it through the works. I'm thinking about a pretty cool grab and go survival bag. I like the looks of it. I can also see it being used as a an overnight travel bag for your cosmetics or whatever. Alright guys, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival, and this is the Atailorbird organizer. Talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for the full review and check out the links down in the description and the comments below.